Dear Jesus, as night settles in, I lift the people I love into your hands. Some may be sleeping peacefully tonight, others may be facing problems they haven't told anyone about. Lord, you know every situation. Watch over them wherever they are. Protect their minds from fear, their hearts from discouragement, and their bodies from harm. If someone I love is struggling, give them strength. If someone feels alone, remind them that you are near. If someone is facing a difficult decision, give them wisdom. And if someone is carrying a burden they cannot explain, give them your peace. Lord, keep our relationship strong. Help us appreciate one another while we have the opportunity. Never let pride or misunderstanding create distance between the people we love. Thank you for the gift of family, friendship, and connection. Tonight, I place every person I love under your care. Watch over them through the night. In Jesus' precious name, Amen. If you love Jesus, then subscribe our channel for more videos like this and to join our Jesus community.